y'all, it's Crafty Hope, and I am working on a series of earrings that use large links from chains. So like large links like this. And so all I've done is taken some of these large links. Let me show you some of the others. Got this one, which has like rectangles and circles on it. This one, which is just these large circles, they're a little domed. And I've got like this one, which is actually, I believe, vintage that I thrifted from somewhere. And some copper ones. This one I really like. It's very delicate. Let's see if I can get it where you can see it. But it's like elongated ovals and diamonds. And it's all kinds of stuff. I'm trying to see if I've got some more to show. Anyway, I've got tons of them. And I know I probably won't use these chains in any kind of like necklace or bracelet for the most part. So what I decided to do was break them down by link and turn them into earrings. Now I have only got a couple of them done. One of these is actually already sold, but I thought I'd share with you different ways that you could use these large links to make earrings pretty easy, and some different varieties of ways to do it. So like this was the first one I did, and basically I just hung a bead that fit into the center. And when this hangs, because of how I wrapped the bead and where I have the jump ring positioned, it's going to hang kind of sideways. I'll try to have a picture of it maybe here so that you could see how it kind of hangs. It's hard to show here on the camera. I'll have to figure out some way to set up a camera to do these sideways angles. And so the same with this one. This one actually I hope will hang just like this, but it's actually sold, and it's just a couple links from the same chain hanging within one of another with a freshwater pearl in there. Alright, and the latest one I completed was this one, which I showed you that chain a second ago that has the elongated ovals and diamonds in it. And I actually used both of those links in this and added just a cultured sea glass disc there. But what I did was I alternated the way it hangs. So let me find some way to show you this so you can see a little bit better. So I've got on this one, if I can get it to lay straight, I've got the diamond at the top here, and then that oval, and then the bead. And on this one, I've got the bead, the oval, and then the diamond. So they are non-symmetrical earrings, but they have the exact same components. So those are just some of the ways so far that I'm incorporating large links of chain into earrings. So I thought I'd pop on the camera and show you some of the other ways I'm doing this. I may do a series of this so these videos don't get too long, but I've already started on one, and I'm going to kind of walk y'all through it. I'll probably just do a voiceover and show you how to do this, and maybe move some of these other things out of the way so there's not so much distraction in the background of this. So I'm going to get started on that, and I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you let me know if you have any questions below in the comments section. I will be happy to answer them. I would also appreciate if you like this, give me a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and here we go. For this first earring tutorial, I'm going to start it with something really easy that anybody can do, and not something that's going to be too complex, and not to make anything that's too long for this video. The materials are really simple. You need an ear wire and a jump ring. And then you need 3 links of chain. I have picked, these are a mixed metal, so I've got a couple of silver and then a small brass one. And these all came from different links of chain. So I'm just combining what I had and found that it worked. So all you're going to do to start this, and all you need as far as tools are chain nose pliers and some bit nose pliers, or 2 pairs of chain nose pliers would work too. Take your jump ring, twist it open, make sure it's plenty open enough, And basically I'm going to put my bottom 2 for the earrings on first and then my third link on. So basically all 3 of those links are going into that one jump ring. So make sure it's large enough that all 3 will fit into. Lay them out the way you want them. Take your chain nose pliers and twist open the loop of your ear wire. Slip on the top link of your chain into that loop of the ear wire. Close your ear wire. Oop, carefully. I was rushing a little there. And then you'll have a pair of earrings. So that is it, guys. I already made the first one, and that's what I'm going to do for all of these videos. I'll have the first earring made, and then I will show you how I made that one. You can see I'm fiddling with this just a little bit because I wanted to get that just right. But this is a super simple one, and that's what I'm going to do from here on, is start with the simplest of these link earrings and then move from there. If y'all have any questions, like I said before, let me know below. Give me that thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.